how to fix your HP laptop keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. So if you have a weak Wi-Fi connection or it keeps disconnecting, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is just come down to the bottom right hand side of your computer and you need to click on this Wi-Fi icon. Now click on the arrow next to Wi-Fi and click on the information button next to your network. Now at the very top here, make sure you have private network selected and then you can close out of this window. Now open up your start menu and search for services and click on this window here. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you see this service WLAN Auto Config. Now we're going to double click on this, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then go and press apply and OK. You can then right click on this again and click on restart. Now once you've done this, there's one more thing we need to do, so go and open up your start menu again, search for control panel and click on this window. In the top right hand side, click on view by and select large icons. Now click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, and then right click on your Wi-Fi network and click on properties. Now click on configure and you need to click on this advanced tab. Now scroll down to preferred band and go and set this to prefer 5 GHz. You can then press roaming aggressiveness, click on the drop down arrow and either set this to medium or set this to medium low. Now I'm just going to set mine to medium and then press OK. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, select network and internet and then click on advanced network settings. Next to network reset, click on this and click on reset now and then just go and press yes. Now once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you'll also need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Once you've done this, your Wi-Fi should now stop disconnecting.